welcome to Yalamanchi Kitchen. Today our recipe is Oreo Idlis. Ingredients are Oreo biscuits 3 packs, milk 1 cup. Take 3 packs of Oreo biscuits. Take a blender. Keep Oreo biscuits in a blender. Now blend it. Add milk as required. Mix it well. Take idli stand. Apply butter. Pour the batter in idli molds. Spread the batter evenly. Heat streamer and pour water in it. Keep the idli stand in the streamer. Cook on high flame for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, allow it to cool completely. Unmold Oreo Idlis using a spoon. It's ready! I can't wait to eat them. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel Yalamanchi Stars and hit the bell button for more notifications. Thank you!